Transferring with an ADT. Tips for completing your CalStateApply application. This tutorial is designed for students applying to transfer to a Cal State with an associate's degree for transfer, also known as an ADT, AAT, or AST. As you work on your CalStateApply application, it's important that you correctly document the degree you will be completing here at Citrus College. This is especially important for students completing an ADT because there are some potential benefits associated with the degree. If you're not sure whether or not you'll be completing an ADT, it's essential that you speak with a counselor before you submit the CalStateApply application. You cannot change your degree in the application once it's been submitted. Let's dive into some important tips for ADT students and the CalStateApply application. The first place you'll be asked about the ADT is when you create a CalStateApply account. It looks like this. If you select the wrong degree when making your account, you can edit it by clicking your name at the top right and then click Extended Profile. ADT degrees are listed either as Associate of Arts for Transfer or Associate of Science for Transfer. If you don't know if your degree is an Associates of Arts for Transfer or an Associates of Science for Transfer, check the list of ADTs on our website. The next place you'll be asked about the ADT is in the Academic History section of the application under Colleges Attended. Make sure your degree matches what you listed in your extended profile. If it doesn't match, you will get an error message when you try to submit your application. Thirdly, there is a section on the ADT under Supporting Information. This section will be auto-populated by what you entered in the extended profile. Enter your Citrus College student ID number here. You will also list when you plan to complete the degree. If you have or will be receiving another ADT from Citrus College, you can also enter it here. Remember, you only receive the benefits of the ADT if you apply to a program that has been approved as similar to the ADT. This can be tricky, especially for majors that have specific concentrations. Be sure to verify that the program is similar by using a degreewithaguarantee.com to check. If you select a program on the application that is not similar, you will get an error message like this. You can either move forward as a general applicant, or you can choose a major that is similar to your ADT. Thanks for watching. If you need additional assistance, the Citrus College Career Transfer Center is here to help. You can make an appointment or come to one of our many workshops or application open forums. Click the link in the description box below to see our event calendar. Also, don't forget to follow us on Instagram at citruscollege_CTC.